Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Biotulin reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. People from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada are very curious to know about this site. So, this website is basically an online shopping site which offers skincare products. They offer different skincare products. They offer products like skin creams, skin gel, hand creams, eye creams, and many more. So, if you want to check out these products, you have to visit to their official website. So, next we are going to discuss about the other details of this website. So, if you want to know about their payment method, you have to click on any of the items and then you can check it. So, here they have given it. So, this website accepts Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, JCB, Diners Club, PayPal, Stripe, and many more. Next, if you want to know about their shipping policy, well, this website hasn't mentioned their shipping timing anywhere. But before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now, let's discuss about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is alleged or a scam. So, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now, about the domain information. So, this website was registered on 5th of August 2014 and it will expire on 5th of August 2022, which means this is a quite old website and hence it can be trusted. So, next we'll check the About Us details. So as you can see, they have provided some information and we have checked by ourselves and we have found out that they have given information regarding their company and about their brand. So you can check it out by yourself. And also they have provided some information about all of their products, so you can check it. Next, if you want to know about their contact details, so this website doesn't have any separate page section for that. Also, they haven't provided their contact details anywhere. But if you scroll it down till the end, you will find out that they have provided some kind of address. But we don't know if it is their physical address or their company address. But we have checked this address and we have found out that this physical address seems very suspicious. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, so we have checked and we have found out that they do have social media presence over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and on YouTube. Also on Instagram, they have nearly 13,000 followers and on Facebook, they have 42,000 followers. Now, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, this website also doesn't have any separate page section for that, as you can see. So guys, do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issue. Now talking about the Biotulin reviews, we have found some reviews on Amazon with a 3.9 rating and the reviews are mixed reviews. So one customer has said that the product does not work at all. Another one has said that great product. And the trust mix score of this website is 76% and the business trust ranking is 75.5%, which is quite good. Also, the content quality seems fine. So in the conclusion of the Biotulin reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. It has got reviews, it has got social media presence, it is quite old and it has got good trust index score. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thought about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.